In this example, we are going to make or complete a truth table for the compound statement, which is the negation of not P or not Q. So this is negation and disjunction, wash, rinse, repeat. Okay, so if I'm looking at my alphabet squiggle soup here at the top, I can see there are two letters. There's two propositions, P and Q. So I need to have P and Q. I have to also have the negation of P and Q each because that's in the parentheses. Also in the parentheses, I need to combine those negations through disjunction. And then the very last step I'm going to do is negate the entire statement. And so that's how I'm building my truth table here. The true false combos, we know how to set that up for when we have two propositions. So that's true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. And now we can begin going through the process, moving left to right. We'll begin with P. So I'm trying to fill out my column for not P. The way I do that is I look at the original column for P. When P is true, not P is false. So in the first and second rows, P is true, so not P would have to be false in those cases. Looking at the third and fourth rows, here I see that P is false. So that means that not P would have to be true in those cases. So P, true, true, false, false. Not P, false, false, true, true. You just flip the sign, go from true to false or false to true. And let's do that for Q as well. So Q goes true, false, true, false. I'm going to flip that. It's going to go false, true, false, true. That's how I get the negation. So I've got two columns done. Now what I need to do is I need to look at my fifth column here, not P or not Q. And that V symbol is the disjunction. It means or. So when I'm looking at not P with not Q, I'm just asking myself, hey, do I have a true in here somewhere? So in the first row, they're both false. If I were to ask myself, hey, do I have a true in here somewhere? I do not have a true. No truth there. But in the second false true, yeah, I have a true. Not Q is true. So I'm good. I'm covered here. And then the third row, I have a true with not P. So I'm good there. And then in the last row, they're both true. So hey, so that's my truth value for not P or not Q. And now that I have that, I'm ready to complete the problem. I'm going to negate this whole column. Anywhere that's false becomes true, and anywhere that's true becomes false. So instead of false, true, 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 I'm going to have true, false, false, false.